Uh, it's your girl Chi Chi. Welcome if you are new. This channel focuses on fashion and lifestyle. And if you are returning, hey girl, hey. So please do not mind my appearance. It's at nighttime and my hair is up. And so I figured let me do this video now because I'm not sure when I'll be able to get it out. Okay, so just bear with me. So today's video, I'll be showing you my organization. So I had in the last video seen that I ran an errand. I had bought some things and my closet fell. So I was trying to find an image for it, but for whatever reason I can't find it. My closet fell in basically the pole that holds the that holds my clothes. The bracket of it broke, and essentially it's because I have too much clothes. So, and that was the second time for it falling. Yes, I know. So I took down the heaviest things, which were my pants, because the hangers that I was using, it was a multi hanger and it would hold up to like 5 items in the hanger. Yeah, my executive director is having the time of his life right now. So I figured I will show you what it is that I started to do and talk you through it, okay? And so so it's gonna be an intro outro kind of thing, all right? So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Majority of what is on the floor is not clothes to go in the bin, which I did just started. These are like ankle length pants that I started putting in the container. These are clothes that are either need to be washed. It's a mix. It needs to be washed or just hanged up, and because all of the clothes have been there, I just dumped everything over there. So this is more like, yeah, this is definitely an organization type of day. Okay, so let's just sit this back and let y'all watch me do what I do. Yeah. I don't see you. I'm over here. You want to come to my room? Yeah. All right, come on. You okay? Mommy, I thought you were sleeping. Yeah, but I didn't see you in the living room. You didn't see? Yeah, because I left the living room, Pop. Why? Because you were sleeping, and I said, "Oh, I'm going to fold my clothes." Fold your clothes? Mm-hmm. No. Well, okay, but see that I am arranging my pants. So from my ankle pants, my ankle pants, my linen pants, or more of the summer like wear, and then the more heavier, because we are in the winter time, or yeah, those kind of pants that I need for more warmth or that are durable to pick and choose. I'm kind of glad that I did get this size, because I do believe that it actually held up just about everything. Yeah, actually mostly everything. I do have some skirts and things like that that are in the closet, but strictly pants, it held what it was supposed to do. And as you can see, I'm like folding it up to to where it can't be folded anymore. I really wanted it to be a tight fold so that there's more space to hold all of my items. And you know what? I will be honest with you. Like, not that I was panicking, but I'm like, oh man, what am I, just the thought process of what am I going to do to, not only still have space, but secure all these pants that I'm using, because I go into the office for work. I generally wear a lot of trousers. So for me, it was necessity to have quick access. And I do believe that I was able to achieve that in with having this bin. Now, can I tell you though, that is definitely encouraging. Looking at that often made me realize, okay, I don't need any more pants. You need to rotate, even if it means that they see you wearing the same pants over and over. Use it. And I'm glad that I'm able to see it in my face. So I'm like, okay, sometimes when it's out of sight, out of mind, you always assume that, oh, I don't have this kind of pants. I need this, I need this, I need this. And I had to get myself out of that mindset. So it's kind of good that I'm able to see it front toe, like right in front of my face. So I'm like, okay, yeah, I really don't need any pants. And if I am looking at pants, it's more of, this would go good with this, like a want. And do I love it? Yeah, probably not. Not enough to get it. So, yeah. So you'll see me, like, again, trying to wrap it up. And yeah, overall, I do believe that it worked. I cleared out the space that I needed. I think that it was good. And this was kind of a different type of video for me, because, I guess it's just something new that I'm trying out. So you guys let me know if you like it, if it's something that you like, or you're like, girl, stick to stick to trying on the clothes.
Let me know what suits you. So if you made it this far into the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know if this is also what you do too in your home to how to put away your clothing. You know, see, for you, it's not an emergency, right? So if that's a way to pack up your clothes so that you get it ready for like spring, winter, fall, that kind of thing. All right, until the next video, y'all. Bye.